Hi, this is Kurt Brennick at FloorConstructionPros.com. We're here at ConExpo 2020 here with Mark Schwartz. And you're can you give me your title again? It's
the Vice President of Civil Construction Software for Trimble, Inc.
And you're responsible for new products. You introduced a pretty exciting new product called
WorksOS.
Yes.
Yeah, WorksOS is a concept that's been in the making for years, based on a lot of feedback from customers that are looking to us to aggregate the data from disparate systems from all over the world, being created at a rapid rate and generating mass amounts of data. Until now, there hasn't been a system that could bring that data together in one cohesive format and one experience to deliver to the customer to drive productivity, quality, safety, and sustainability.
So basically, you had silos. You had the bidding people, the bidding and estimating, and you had all the different groups of the processes of the construction were siloed before. Is that correct?
Yeah, and every technology was siloed or even siloed amongst their own workflows. And we had an immense amount of data from various Trimble systems, as well as all these other systems created, that we found this need in the market to bring those systems together into an easy-to-use platform that we're calling an operating system, really meant to operate the site. And that is, for us, the lead into autonomy is how you commingle this data and the execution tasks of a project, and operate autonomous vehicles and non-autonomous vehicles simultaneously on a site in a safe manner.
Okay, so it's basically tying everything together into an easy-to-use format. Do you think that will help the adoption rate of the technology?
We do. We use the term flip the script, where the software is driving even greater adoption rates of the hardware and machine control systems that we offer, as well as the survey and other data collection elements like drone data that all come together in this format, bringing technology to people that don't use it today and making it easier to adopt in larger organizations at a lower cost.
Okay, and I understand that every user still gets the data in the format they prefer to use it to get their documents. You can actually tailor the information to the person's...
Yeah, the system is actually built based on workflows and personas. So based on your job responsibilities, we can custom configure what workflows you have access to make the system easier and less complicated to use. There will be those people that will use everything in the system and those that just want access to a couple of things. And we have the ability to configure it to make it as easy to use as possible to help drive adoption.
Okay, so really you're bringing all the data that's together in the field, you're bringing it all together in one place so it can be easily utilized to increase the efficiency of it.
From production data to job cost to estimating to schedule and task management, even weather.
Because I know historically construction has been kind of a slow adopter of technology, and we really haven't seen a steep increase in productivity due to technology. And this product really addresses that issue. Is that correct?
Yeah, we believe that by changing the way we look at technology, that we can drive adoption and productivity in ways that we haven't seen before. Many of the past technologies were digitizing existing workflows and didn't really change how people thought about their work process. This brings complete transparency to the work process in every phase of construction, and that's what we believe will drive exponential productivity gains from here. An extra 1% of productivity gains is $180 billion of profit that can be generated.
So there's a lot of benefits to the contractor really looking the system over and really giving it the benefit out.
Yeah, and we've seen tremendous activity around the product since we launched it this morning.
And who is this product really targeted for the construction industry? Is the whole construction at large, or is there specific contractors only to the largest in this product?
We think we can get the most benefit from the mid-level contractors up until the large contractors. While there is still a benefit to be gained from the smaller contract, they tend to have less technology already enabled for a system of this nature to bring together. So that mid-tier to upper echelon contractor that is already technology enabled, but almost over technology enabled, this can bring that technology together for them in a way that's easier for them to digest and get better use and adoption of the technology they already have.
Okay, I understand this will really benefit by tying together, if they're already using Trimble products, it really ties it together and makes it more efficient.
Yeah, I mean, we like the terms with Trimble. With Trimble, it's better. We obviously can be tighter integrated with Trimble technology that we own and control the development roadmap. But we have built this with an open API structure to allow everyone to integrate and allow for a common marketplace of added functionality in places where it doesn't make sense or Trimble doesn't have the expertise to deliver a problem.
So for contractors who've already invested heavily in our existing ERP system, they don't have to start from scratch. They can just integrate.
Correct. We can just bring, and another thing with ERPs is we've turned it around so, companies are afraid of tying things to their ERP. We've flipped it around where we'll bring elements of the ERP that you want to expose into this system, thus controlling it so it isn't open access to an ERP. And so that way, if you want to bring in just runtime hours of a machine or just the billable hours of a machine, we can just bring in those two data elements or more. And that's what allows us a little bit more flexibility and control over what data is exposed to what persona, what contractor, what subcontractor.
So it sounds like this is really adaptable. You can tailor to customize this product. There's pretty much different.
Simple and configurable was the messaging when we started on this project.
Well, I really appreciate you giving me a rundown on OS, and I look forward to seeing the product in the future.
Great, thanks.